Given A equals matrix with rows 1, 2, next row 3, 4, find a squared and hence determine a squared minus 5 amps minus 2i, where I is the 2 times 2 identity matrix. We start by calculating a squared through matrix multiplication. This involves multiplying the rows of the first matrix by the columns of the second matrix. Carrying out the multiplication gives us the elements of A squared. For each element, we multiply the corresponding elements from the row of the first matrix and the column of the second matrix and sum them up. We then find 5A by multiplying each element of A by 5. This is a scalar multiplication operation. The identity matrix I has 1 second on its diagonal and 0 seconds elsewhere. Multiplying I by 2 gives us 2i. Finally, we substitute the calculated matrices into the expression A squared minus 5A minus 2i and perform the subtraction. Carrying out the subtraction operation element minus y's, we find the resulting matrix.